Presidente da República halau encontro o Embaxiador Finlandia, ho dia meeting Kooperasaun. Terça-feira, Lawrence Anoresing ida folan junho tinangne. Presidente da República Juje Ramos Horta halau encontro o Embaxiador Finlandia, Julka PK Kaihilanti, ia Palácio Presidencial Barpite Dili, foi encontro Embaixador Finlandia, Julka PK Kaihilanti, informa. Durante encontro qual liu conaba cooperação entre nação rua, liu ia área economia, no insa Finlandia bele apoio o governo Timor-Leste. Halau desenvolvimento nacional ia encontro ne. Qual íamos com a participação primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão ia Genebra.
We received by the head of state of Timor-Leste. I mean, we discussed the current issues. I mean, exchange views on world situation. We gave our appreciation for the representation, meaning your Prime Minister's participation in the Geneva Peace Conference on Ukraine. On many points we found, once again, that we have similar views. We are very like-minded countries. That was one aspect of our discussions. And the other important aspect was, and this is the common theme with during our visit, when it comes to other meetings with high-ranking Timor-Leste officials too, is to discuss the current economic and development outlook of Timor-Leste and try to find also areas where we might cooperate, support and help Timor-Leste, and also find also venues for business cooperation.
Reportagem Sabina Sansa, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba Horta. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha, hane yang botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial Horta.